Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt. Today we're going to take a quick trip to San Marino. Have you guys ever been to San Marino? Would you like to know something specific about San Marino? If you would, let me know in the comment section below. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe, alright? Then I can show you where I go, I can show you how to build stuff, and hopefully we can learn stuff together. And today, I'm going to show you San Marino. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick trip to San Marino. If you liked the video, give that thumbs up button. And if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon, and you'll be notified when I post again. Like I said in the beginning, if you have any questions or you'd like to know anything about San Marino, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you've been here, what did you love about this place, all right? So I will see you next time, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Take it easy. We'll see you later.